like
Your
jukebox
grandmother used-
diners.
I know.
Your
Yeah.
grandmother did.
Oh, I got the glitter. Yeah.
I tried to find like this like silver sequin one, but that was the other one.
No Christmas music, no. Yeah.
Good.
The sound
I
of
got
the
that for
Texans
you.
losing.
Oh my god, I actually smelled
You
it.
know, wait. Take a picture. We'll put it.
Did you take a picture?
One thing I do is play games
I
for
like
Christmas.
on the ring.
No game.
Yeah.
I like when the
This. Remember, this was Nana's favorite.
Get back and get the money. It's to be a brain surgeon, you know what that is?
Oh no, I literally showed you this at the other day. Oh, that's
Oh my
awesome.
god. I just got that from Jackson.
It's a tall boy.
Wait.
Oh, you know who's gonna like this?
What is it?
Yeah, me and Jackson need to. Oh my god. You can put ice cream in it.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Ceramic. Oh my god. I love Cold
Waffle
Stone.
Sundays.
The first time I went to Cold Stone was with my friend Riley when we went on the cruise.
Yeah.
That was the first time I ever had. Oh my god. It's my gummy bear lip balm. Another thing.
Another scent.
Another following with the sweet stuff.
Look. And that's like,
What is that?
it's like a,
Smiling.
to replace a cork.
Oh.
Oh.
That's a cool
What's in it?
What do you like called? Get rid of
Big
the box.
truffles.
Oh my god, look at that one. The green
They got
one
too much
is
space.
pistachio.
Pistachio. No, they were.
That Bath and Body Works one is yours. It's got coal in it.
What is it?
Oh my god, thank you so much.
That's for me.
Oh really? Thank you.
No.
You remembered I said 5 gum. 5 gum's my favorite.
Oh my god, how
got
many packs of gum is that?
So you want to hear a real...
Wicked.
Gonna have to figure out how to play the game, do a puzzle, and watch.
Oh, we got more.
It's a predator rig.
Think.
It's a predator rig.
So easy.
I knew it.
What is it?
You can tell by the size of the northern pike that he likes to catch.
You need to open it.
They're like this big, models like that with tons of sharp teeth, and they
Yeah.
swallow up to 13-inch.
Trouble! Trouble!
We're playing this
Oh
tonight.
my
We're
God.
playing this tonight.
We used to play
We're
this
playing this
all.
himself somewhere that appeared Santa-proof. He got stuck in the door, and it all became clear.
I don't know why I'm on the floor. Thank you so much.
Sorry,
Thank
don't
you.
go in there.
Let me see.
We're amazed it all looked the same.
Oh, nice.
I got an action
I have a
card.
25. Looks like you're gonna have some more crazy.
What is it? Tell me
It's
your
gonna
choice.
rain on Saturday and Sunday.
Aww,
What is it?
they're pajama pants.
I thought you did pajama pants.
She got leggings.
Oh, no, but I thought from there. My God, ones.
Jackson. Ooh, it's hands
This is
inside
the best one.
See, I'm kind of curious on what I'm gonna be taking now. Movie theater.
AMC.
Movie theater?
Nice.
What movie we seeing?
Jackson. We'll share it. We'll share it. Oh my god. Oh my
With the
god.
snow and everything now. Oh my god, I
I
remember.
love sledding.
I
but
remember-
never do.
Somebody used to fish in there. Took you fishing down, remember?
Yeah.
When you first started
Oh my
fishing?
god, doesn't Judy have that?
Oh, that's awesome.
The cord, Glenn, doesn't she have this?
Yeah.
This one? That's awesome.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Cordless shark.
I'm not kidding, I like it.
I was gonna handle too.
What is it? I thought he was gonna get one, but I can't read the dinner. What's it?